Have you ever walked away from someone who loved you, only to realize too late what you lost? This is the story of a son who had everything, threw it all away, and discovered the true meaning of grace, forgiveness, and a father's unshakable love. Jesus told this story to help people understand God's love. The father is sitting peacefully. The younger son enters. "Father, give me my share of the inheritance. I want to live my life my way." Father spoke sadly but lovingly. "Very well, my son. Take what is yours." So the father divided his wealth between his two sons. Not long after, the younger son packed his things and left for a distant country. At first, the younger son had a great time. He spent his money on parties and pleasures. But soon, the money ran out. And so did his friends. The son is now alone, dirty, and hungry. A famine hit the land. The young man became so desperate, he took a job feeding pigs. Younger son cried out, "Even the pigs eat better than I do. What have I done? I will return to my father and say, 'Father, I have sinned against heaven and against you. I'm not worthy to be called your son. Please let me be a servant in your house.'" While he was still a long way off, his father saw him. The father running to meet him. "My son, you've come home." Younger son replied, "I'm not worthy to be called your son. Father, I've sinned against heaven and against you." The father interrupted. "Nonsense. Servants, bring the best robe. Put a ring on his finger and sandals on his feet. Kill the fattened calf. We must celebrate. For my son was dead and is alive again. He was lost and is found." But not everyone was happy. The older son is working in the field. He hears music and dancing. Older son asked one of the servants, "What's going on?" The servant answered, "Your brother has returned. Your father is throwing a feast." The older son becomes angry and refuses to go in. The father comes out. The father asked, "Come join us, son." Older son replied, "All these years I've served you and obeyed. You never gave me a party. But this son of yours comes back after wasting everything. And you celebrate him?" Father said, "My son, you are always with me, and all I have is yours. But we had to celebrate and be glad, because your brother was dead and is alive again. He was lost and now is found." The story of the prodigal son reminds us of God's never-ending love and mercy. No matter how far we've gone, God is always waiting for us with open arms. Forgiveness, grace, and restoration are always possible when we turn back to Him. If this story touched your heart, help us spread the message, like, share, and subscribe to stay inspired with stories of grace.